3, 2, 1, go!
It's beautiful.
Pala baliktad.
Refrain from stopping on the bridge and continue moving so other guests can enjoy the view. If you need to stop, please move to the side to allow others to pass by. Please refrain from stopping on the bridge and continue moving so other guests can enjoy the view. If you need to stop, please move to the side to allow others to pass by.
Maganda ko.
To the bottom, you're going to see there's some signs that say stop on red, go on green. Let's get a thumbs up and then I can send you off. Perfect.
Great, thanks.
Welcome to the Railrider mountain coaster at the Golden Skybridge. Please keep your seatbelts buckled and your hands and feet inside the cart at all times. Pay attention and read instructional signs along the way. If the ride stops for any reason, stay in your cart and await further instructions. Sit back and enjoy the ride. You are approaching the top of the ride. Please keep your seatbelts buckled at all times. You will soon be starting the downhill track. Push the levers forward now and keep them forward.
Thanks.
Here we go. Follow the lights ahead. Red means stop, green means go.
Hello.
Approaching the Railrider's final climb. If you'd like to ride the Railrider mountain coaster again, please talk to one of our team members. Thanks for riding with us. Look up and smile for the camera. The photo op is coming up. You are approaching the end of the ride. Be prepared to enter the offload area. Thank you for riding the Railrider mountain coaster at Golden Skybridge. Please exit the ride on your right-hand side. Remember to take a look at your souvenir photo and enjoy the rest of your visit.
How was that?
That was awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Yeah. Pero hindi rin masyado.
Na-static pa ako din.
Nanginginig yung tulos ko kami. Ay, dat pala dinala mo din yung sa akin.
Akitin na natin to.
Hindi, mamaya mag-post na muna tayo.
Hold that like that so it doesn't open and pinch your fingers. Just hold around it like that.
Thanks, ladies.
Thank you.
Hello.
Pang zipline yung damit.
You ready for ziplining?
I'm going to get you both to turn your back on me for a sec. Okay. So I'm going to get you both hooked up. Then I'll go through some bits of safety info. And then we'll get you ziplining.
Okay.
So all you have to do on this zip line is sit down, look at the views for 30 seconds, and you're at the other side of the canyon. Nice and easy.
Whew.
Hands on, legs up. Sounds good?
Sounds good.
Okay. Connections are confirmed.
Zip, zip, zip.
3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Woohoo!
Just drop it on the ground and you guys can head down the ladder or the stairs there and Hannah will help you out at the bottom.
All right, thank you very much.
Nanginginig yung bukod ko.
Pero saglit lang, no?
Nakuhanan mo ako, alam na ako eh.
Oo nga.
Butay mo na, butay uli ka muna uwan.
Hindi, mabilis ka talaga. Hi.
How was that?
Oh, it was good.
Take that for you and then you can take your helmets off.